Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2014 Hyundai Elantra headlight step by step. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Remove the plastic wheel well liner fasteners to access the headlight housing. Unplug the headlight connector and release the bulb retaining clip carefully. Inspect the socket for corrosion and replace the headlight bulb with the correct H11 or factory-specified part. Begin by turning the steering wheel to give extra clearance to the wheel well area on the side you are working on. Remove fasteners along the wheel well liner and gently pull back the liner to expose the headlight housing bolts. Use a socket to remove the housing bolts and carefully slide the housing forward. Unplug the wiring harness and set the housing on a padded surface to avoid scratches while you access the bulb and connectors. With the housing accessible, remove the old bulb by releasing the retaining clip and pulling the bulb straight out. Inspect the new bulb and avoid touching the glass to prevent premature failure, using gloves or clean cloth instead. Insert the new bulb fully and reseat the retaining clip so the bulb sits square and secure. Reconnect the wiring harness and reconnect the battery briefly to test low and high beams for proper function before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.